Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane, Yes We Can, and Demi. She likes her treats. Let's learn Stetson, 32 counts, 4 walls. Here we go. Here's a preview of the steps. Starting on a diagonal, my right diagonal. Step, lock, step, heel and cross, slide, ball, cross, step, sailor, heel and step, turn, step, clap, clap, coaster, step, step, half pivot, step, quarter step, slide together and pop, step, tap, step, kick, coaster, step, turn, together, knee, pop. That's it. So let's learn it. Start right here. The first 8, start on the diagonal, the right diagonal, with a step, lock and heel. So it's syncopated. So it's step, lock and heel and cross and slide, ball, cross. Yes, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, lock and heel and crossing, shuffle and slide, ball, cross. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, lock and heel and cross and slide, ball, cross. And the counts are, first 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. One more time. First 8 of Stetson. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes. Moving on, second 8. I'm going to step to the right. Turn to the diagonal, the left diagonal, and do a sailor with a heel. Sailor, heel, then another heel, and heel. And we're going to turn over our left shoulder 3/8, or just get to facing 6. 6, back, clap, clap. Facing 6, back. So the second 8, we just did our ball cross. So we turn to the diagonal with the right foot, step, sailor, heel and turn, back, step, clap, clap. Second 8 counts are 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. And option on the and 8, you can do 1 clap, you can do 2, you can do swivel your knee with it, all sorts of fun things. Or you can do all of the above. Okay, let's put the first 16 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock and step, lock, heel and crossing, shuffle and slide, ball, cross and step. Sailor, heel and turn, back, clap, clap. Yes. Moving on. Now we're going to do a right coaster step. Going back, coaster step. Coaster step is back, forward. Then we're going to turn over our right shoulder a half a turn with our using our left foot, half. Now we're going to turn the other half, going back to where we were, 6 o'clock, with our right. Then we're going to rock and cross with our left. One more with a quarter turn. So rock and cross. Yes. And a slide, big slide to the right. And when you bring your left foot in, you can pop your right knee. So we're here with our clap, or our knee, all sorts of fun styling things you can do. So we start with our coaster step back, right coaster step, left half turn, rock and cross, big slide and a pop. And the counts are Just did our clap, clap. The counts for the third eight are 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes, a little bit faster. Clap, clap. A little bit faster, third eight counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes, last 8. Just popped our right knee. We stay on our 9 o'clock wall for a minute. The right foot's ready to go. It's in the pop position, no weight. So we step right, tap left in the back, step left, kick right, and a right coaster step, and then a turn, half turn, together, knee pop. So let's go over the steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right coaster, step, left, turn, together, knee pop. Easier, faster. Oh my goodness. All right, one more time. Now with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Let's put it all together. Here we go. From the top. Stetson, 32 counts. 5 with words. 6, 7, 8. Step, lock and heel and cross, seam, shuffle and slide, fall, cross, step, sailor, heel and turn, back, clap, clap, coaster, step, turn, rock and cross, slide, pop, step, tap, step, kick, coaster, step, turn, together, knee pop. From the top with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's it. Then we start here. So you saw one of the first styling options is on the clap, clap. You can swivel your knee. Another styling option, because it says Stetson, on wall 1, 4, and 7. So this is our wall 1. Instead of doing the knee pop, because the lyrics say Stetson at the end, you can tap your hat, or you can do both. Oops, your choice. So 1, 4, and 7 is a Stetson end. Wall 3, there's a tag. You don't have to do it, but it's really cute. And the lyrics change, so that's why you do it. So we do. It's the last 4 counts. We're facing 3 o'clock, and we're all on wall 3. Okay. So we do step, tap, step, kick, coaster, step, hips all the way around to the left, all the way around, ending left. So you have 4 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. The last 4 counts, you can turn and end with Stetson on the very last lyrics. So have fun. Stay tuned for the demo. Remember your styling options and have fun. Get a Stetson.